In this tutorial, we'll show you how to automate backups of your important files using Google Drive, so you never have to worry about losing your data. Download and install Google Drive for desktop. Visit the Google Drive download page and download the app for your computer. Install it by following the prompts. Sign in with your Google account. After installation, open the Google Drive desktop app and sign in with your Google account credentials. Choose folders to backup. During setup, you'll be prompted to choose folders from your computer to automatically back up to Google Drive. Select important folders like Documents, Pictures, or any custom folder that contains vital files. Set sync preferences. In the Google Drive app, go to Preferences. Under the My Computer section, you can manage which folders are being backed up. You can also choose whether to sync files to Google Drive or both Google Drive and your computer. Adjust backup frequency, optional. While Google Drive syncs files continuously, you can choose to upload files manually if you want more control. In Preferences, deselect the Automatically Sync option for manual control. Monitor backup status. Google Drive will run in the background, automatically backing up files as changes are made. You can check the backup status from the Google Drive icon in your system tray or menu bar. Backup mobile devices. To automate backups from your phone, open the Google Drive app, tap the menu, 3 lines, go to Settings, and enable Backup and Sync for your photos, videos, and other documents. Manage storage space. Keep an eye on your Google Drive storage. If you're nearing your limit, you can either delete old files, move them offline, or upgrade your storage plan through Google One. That's how you can automate backups with Google Drive for peace of mind. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials.